I can't say it. I can't just say it. In fact, you made us proud. And it's like most of us would have fallen sick. And if at all they would have survived, honestly. So I thank you so much, And I say, happy birthday, to our great nation, Biafra, today. So I'm just calling to say thank you so much for everything, and continue, encouraging my fellow Biafrans, and every other people that love Biafrans, well-meaning Biafrans, and our supporters to keep on, doing what we know best to do, so that we will get to our destination soonest, because we can't wait. We cannot wait, honestly. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mouthpiece. We thank you so much. All of you, we thank you. All right.
Thank you so much, Dale. I don't know if there's any other person that would like to speak before. I don't know if our DPMC has time for us.
Thank you all here there. And thank you.
Okay, and that's a lot. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, my wonderful sister, Martis. My DPM, I thank you so much for being here with us today. We love you so much for your witness and your fantastic job you are doing to bring for us in the visit of Biafra. May God bless you and continue to keep you for us. I have one question and it's troubling my mind, so this opportunity for me to ask. We are hearing about some of the cabinet members that are some resigning for the government. I don't know if there's any way it's affecting your government. Please, I want to know. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. In no way, not a single way. The United States of Biafra government cabinet is fully intact, functioning at full capacity. No interference whatsoever. Every position that is not working, or any position that is taken away, has more experts in that particular position. So no effect whatsoever. Thank you so much.
Right, thank you so much, my able Deputy Prime Minister. God bless you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nelson. Thank you so much. I think, see another, Regina Ogene. Regina Ogene, the mic is yours. Regina Ogene. Okay, if Regina Ogene is not speaking, let's go to Rose. Rose, the mic is yours. What is it? Where's Rose?
Rose, play some notes. Rose, play some notes, okay?
What is it?
Nelson, Mark, please. I don't want to mouthpiece talk to me today again, I beg. Please, usher me in. Please. Rose, you are welcome to the mic. Please forgive my mouthpiece, okay? Thank you very much.
Rose, 1 week, one trouble.
But
in the team. So anyway,
please speak to Her Excellency.
Yes, anyways, I want to greet Her Excellency, Dr. Orabueze. Why are you telling Nigeria for a while? And it's because of what you do, that's the courage you have today. Because of that legal documents that you have. And that is why we have this self-confidence. Thank you very much. Dr. Orabueze, Excellency, do you remember somebody said something almost immediately when we came back from Finland? The person said, media is power. And I asked, where are they today? The word disappeared. And USB is standing tall. So we don't have any questions to ask you. We don't have any questions. We just want to appreciate you. Thank you for what you did for us. You are just 1 in a million. Sometimes I look at the way you come to address Biafra with super authority. But those of them who does not know who you are, this is our Deputy Prime Minister, Mama Ngozi, this evening.
Thank you so much.
And again, I just want to say that I want to.
Don't finish this thing you are saying without Iwalu or DPM or working around.
Mouthpiece, me and you know the talk today. We are not talking peace. We are not talking. Deputy Prime Minister, you said it all. Their time is up. Our time begins on the 4th of November 2025. And for this, I'm not going to make insults. They are insulting your integrity here, and I don't like it. So because I am really back. I want to see that if they make Masilai, in the social media, that's 29 days, that's 29 with declaration. That is the confidence we have today. And so for that reason, Mama, I'm the major hero. And I am even so, Mama, I am supporting you with $100 this evening. It's not easy for me, but I have to do it. Thank you so much for what you do for us. God bless you, Mama.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
At least today. Thank you so much for saying. So we'll now go to Ifeanyi Nzekwe. The mic is yours.
Thank you so much, my beautiful sister, Marcus of the Gods. My lovely DPM, our Excellency, Ngozi Orabueze, the real mother of Biafra. I want you to go around the Sister.
Ifeanyi, we can hear you again. And your background, the background noise is too much. And I want to say,
I think his network is so bad. Please, if you can hear the voice, let me know. So because I can only see one comment here. I don't know why people are not commenting, but if you are here, please just comment if the sound is okay from your end. Thank you. And do me a favor, like the video, please. We started late.
Our DPM is here to take your question. If there are any question you have to ask her, she's here for you. Please
person. So please feel free to come up and ask questions now or forever zip it. If you don't come up now to ask that question you've been asking when our DPM is not here, please come up now and ask that question. And Your Excellency, HS, the 5,000 AJ for your cooler, 5,000 AJ.
Wow, thank you so much, HS. Thank you.
So, Regina Ogene.
Okolie Anthony. So, but you can hear other ones now, right? The voice is okay now, apart from his own.
Oh, too loud.
Thank you for your comments.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. I just want to say a very big thank you to our DPM. Ngozi Nidanima, Ngozi Nidanima, Oneti Polisi, Namada Borinaya, Oneti Polisi, Namada Borinaya, Yo, Arabezanina Shani, Yafuma, Arabezanina Shani, Oneti Polisi, Namada Borinaya,
Thank you, Okolie Anthony. Thank you. Please, guys, like the video.
You're too much. Because I don't know what you do with $10, 10 AJ. Why make it too much? It is too much. She shouts, you be past me. I bow.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I will send my receipt to Fandi.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, Fandi. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Ada Biafra. Okay. Is there any other person that want to contribute so far too? I don't know if you've spoken or you want to speak. Anyone want to speak?
Eze Anthony, you're welcome. I greet you.
I can see. All right. Kochuk so far too is using 5,000 AJ for your color, Your Excellency.
Wow, thank you so very much.
All right. Okay.
Gina, I see you. You're welcome, Gina. Gina Duru.
Yeah.
Please, USB something. Make request your request for Mike. You have a question, request so that you will give your question to our deputy friends.
Sorry, where do I send it to? The normal account, right?
Okay, hold on. Let me send you the link. There's another person asking for the link. Let me just get it from family, okay? Just to be sure, right?
Okay, so that's the one I used last week, Friday. This Friday, yeah, last week Friday.
Okay.
Okay, then send it to me.
Okay, I'll send it to you, and I'll send to some people who are requesting also. So please just bear with me. Your Excellency, do you have anything to say to us while I'm looking for that?
No.
Okay. All right.
Can I say something?
Go ahead, Smartan. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Okay. Thank you, my good people.
Mwafo, I see you, Mwafo. You are welcome, Mwafo.
I called you.
Charles, I greet you. Livinus, greetings to you. If you are just coming, like the video, please. Very important.
Some of us that know actually what Nigeria is all about and know that there is no other way to escape that country. Some of us leave Nigeria and went to overseas because of the injustice, humiliation, and bullying that some of us encounter as people that was a little bit born with silver spoon. We encounter a lot of things, challenges with the so-called, maybe the elites of Nigeria. So when we saw Nnamdi Kanu trying to rewrite the whole thing, we were happy until what happens to him happens to him. Then our Prime Minister, right from autopilot, we pick up from him, and we was on this till the evil people do the same thing they like doing. And we thought all is gone. But we did not know that God has preserved you somewhere waiting. And the people that think it will be them do not know that God has a way to choose his own people, because people like to get what they want, not what they need. But God provides you what you need. And God knows that we need you with their friends. So God knows, and that is why God did not give us what we wanted. Those out there now sabotaging. God knows that we did not want them.
Victoria, I see you, Victoria. Greetings to you.
That what really we, the dear friends, need.
I greet you,
And
Victoria.
thank you so much for making the over 50 million Biafra that day. Because without that 29th of November 2024, that
I am doing good, and you, Victoria?
The Spirit of God enters you, and you stand without fear nor favor, and really declare.
Ifeanyi, greetings to you. You're welcome.
Sorry could have been our name by now, but you did not allow it to happen. You took the bull by the horn and make us this proud. We pray every day for you and your cabinet that you will live to see the good.
Another Victoria.
Because you clean all.
You're welcome. Please like the video, please.
And now you are taking us to that promised land, which God has blessed for us. I tell people, I say, I don't know where you get the wisdom, maybe because you are being chosen. So God may be speaking with you, we don't know, because all you do is just like getting things in the right direction, not making any mistake. Although you are human beings, but you are doing more than better and great work for us good Biafrans. So we thank you so much, and we said,
Joy, Joma, I see you. Greetings to you. You're welcome. Flip on what God, I see you.
And guide them and protect them. Also protect your cabinet. So as you are here today, I'm saying it is not whether it's okay with me or not, or whether, but I have to. I say, nah, maybe I go dig up again, so I know maybe every lady likes work, so I'm giving $50 for your work. So
Wow.
And say that.
Wow. Madam.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, and also, Your Excellency, Dr. Sir Williams.
So I will send the receipt. To Mouthpiece anyway.
All right.
Mouthpiece. Remember, last time I gave something, I couldn't get the receipt.
Yes, I told you to check the spam, your spam.
I checked. I couldn't find it there. But when I gave this one, I'm gonna see how it get back.
Let me send you this link. Believe me, if he doesn't again, but I know he's going into the account. As long as he went there successfully, try screenshotting just in case. Next time, just the moment you pay. And it says successful, just screenshot it immediately, please.
Okay.
What's my tell everybody that is paying. with that link you sent me. Once you pay, you will see a green paragraph where they say view receipt. Just click on view receipt, then you can screenshot it and send to her.
Okay.
I may have sent you my own package.
Oh, cool, Chuku James. Greetings to you. Alpha, I see you, Alpha, you're welcome.
Also donated 50,000.
Alpha, Anthony.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you. Wow.
Okay. Please keep it coming, my people.
What is going on? I'm no longer hearing anything. Okay. I think the silence is from the end, not from me.
Yes.
Question, I said Biafra.
There's no way to stop what we are doing. There's no way to stop what we are doing. Our escalation. Please. Can I answer? Yeah. The person asking the question should know that only you has told the world, they told the Jews that we have gotten to the point of Rubicon and there's no coming back. Only does not need to sign anything. Only is going to come out from there. Clean and clear.
One and Job John, I see you. Greetings to you.
And that's what we stand for. Thank you.
And
Amy, you're welcome.
Go ahead. Okay. At the same time, you remember before the kidnap of Ngozi, we said anytime that they say is not, that anytime that they say is not agitated for Biafra any longer, that anybody that is fighting, if you don't do something and take his life, that is what he said.
Martins, greetings to you, Mazakai.
Okay, so Kelvin.
Martins. Who is behind this name?
So are you satisfied now? Thank you so much.
Is it Triple M? Triple M, is that you?
I think Nala na one the old Anambra State, the so Professor Akod. That is what is happening to them at the comment section. So I think Drake is giving them a tap at their dead. So while that fact, I don't have anything to answer to them. I think we have. I think you've said it all. So thank you so much. Your Excellency, do you have anything to say?
No, I'm good.
Oh, all right. All right. Somebody's mic is echoing, and I'm gonna unmute some people. Is there anyone?
Okay, my brother, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Before DPM goes, please. If you don't have anything that we know, she's busy really. So okay. Go ahead, IG Dawn.
Thank you so much. Yeah, what
Yeah.
What our brother asked in the comment section. Our leader, Mazin Nnamdi, have told us everything we need to know. And we should know one thing, that Biafra is not for anybody. That is why our leader, Mazin Nnamdi, took the mantle when Owazirike, such thing happened to Owazirike. You understand? If Biafra is for somebody, our leader will not do such by taking the mantle. So we should all know that this our declaration that we made is not in vain. And we are seeing it, and we have some of the efforts are seeing this as a joke. That declaration one day is not a joke. You could make that declaration back. And if we mess up with this declaration on the 29th of November 2024, it will take us another 140 years again to make another declaration, which can never be possible. I thank God for the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding of our Deputy Prime Minister. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir. All that you are God. You're welcome. They okay. Well done. Kekwana. Adam somehow. Can I delete you? Kekimesa. Kemakandi begi. This Twitter space is behaving somehow. Sometimes the voice is not steady. And this is part of the reason why we came late to this program.
So, anyways,
I was about to start the program that time before I noticed that they were streaming.
Okay, Adabiafa Ngozi, your hand is up.
Okay, my Excellency, Dr. Orabueze, please, I want to ask you a question. My question goes that those that put us to court, those that put hearing, that put themselves to court for this, because not only you and your cabinet, it's all of us to court. I just want to know if they are still going on or they are wrong the case. Number one. And number two is
Humphrey, I agree to you. Okay, sir, God, thank you. Nice to hear that. Humphrey, I see you.
So after that interview, he mentioned my name. I'm that Ngozi that he told you to encourage that my story inspires him. But I don't want to grab the full interview. We go home and settle in our Biafra land. I will tell my story. And my story will. My story is
Anthony Umeje.
Inspire some people and
greetings. Samuel, I see you, Samuel.
I don't know. But that's why I'm doing what I'm doing today.
You're welcome.
Because I've never get from Nigeria and I take Nigeria in fashion. And that's why today I can fight for Biafra. If you ask me to go to war, even if I will not carry the bomb, maybe to be looking for them, our soldiers, I will do that. So I thank you once again because today, let me put that drama. Now, only one day, now we go every day like this. As the woman is you are the miracle of Biafra. Everyone that was a treasure, no one like you.
Chibueze, you're welcome. Women of Africa, greetings to you.
You are the miracle of Biafra. Everyone that's in no one like you. Someone of us of war, where's it for one that is missing in the world.
Juliet, greetings to you.
You are the miracle of Biafra.
Chibozo, greetings to you, Chibozo. Give to Keke. I greet you all, Biafran, all over the world, she says. You're welcome. Please like the video in case if you are just joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we'll now go to Odiwe. Odiwe, the mic is yours. Odiwe, did he drop? I'm seeing it. Okay. Odiwe, are you there?
Thank you, Gift to Keke. Thank you so much.
Your mic is open, but you're not speaking. Odiwe. Okay, and I still see him anyways. Okay, let's go to Michael. Michael Ezibo. Is it Mac Ezi?
Delicacy. And everybody in the house, and the second, but with the lioness, the Biafra lioness. Yeah. Because so, well, what I want to ask is just the strength. Like, I think that I've already, although, not talking about the new.
What is going on? The network again? I think it's Twitter Space is behaving like Facebook these days. All these platforms are not actually helping matters. That's why YT remain the best. YouTube remain the best. Sometimes when you are busy talking, they will restrict you.
So once again, I say thank you. To continue to support the for us. I did my best.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Michael. We go back again to Odiwe. Odiwe, the mic is yours. I don't know what is going on. When you call him, he goes down. Okay, we'll go back to Rose. Rose, the mic is yours. So it's in my personal.
Settled. Anyway, anyway, this is for DPM. Somebody sent it on my somebody sent it to me now to read it out. So DPM, this person is asking you a question, but I think this should be confidential, though. But I'm just going to read it out for you to hear. He said, "Please, how is our Prime Minister case going in Finland? The appeal, I mean." So I think that question is for you, not for me. And I don't know if you can answer it or.
What was the question? What was the question?
Okay. The person said, "Please, what about our PM? How is his case going in Finland? I mean, his appeal." That should be for you, not for me. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Again, as we all know, the PM has declared the intention to appeal the case. Again, as I said the other day, PM has been presented with all the experts that he needs to file the appeal. At the end of the day, the PM will make the choice on those. With those timelines. So, but again, the appeal process is on. That's all I can say for now. And the PM determines those he wants to do the appeal, but he has all the experts needed at this time to progress with the appeal. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We'll go to Regina. Regina, the mic is yours again.
John Nwaji, is that question for me or for DPM? How can we get your WhatsApp number or any postal address of yours or any close one? Please make your question straight and address it to the person that you want to address. I don't think it's for me.
You're coming up.
My dear, please, there's something I just want to draw your attention to. November 8th election, I sent you some videos in your WhatsApp. November 8th election in Nigeria. My sister was telling me that Solu Akodo visited Osobo. So people were contributing money, that he is going home with, they even showed the check. I sent you the video. So please try to remind our people for sit at home again, because I was campaigning about it. That's why they sent me the video. Now, so I took a go. So I want you to touch it if you want to make up. People should not mind his tricks. Sending the video. I know you will not have time to look at it now, but
yeah, again. So when you say Hatuke go, they gave him money or he gave them money?
They gave him money, 100 million.
Okay, so what we
this network, you know, go better for you. I think it's from their end. It's not from me.
The legitimized Nigerian governors, they share people money and they tell them to give them back their money. If you look at it, it's the people that is giving them. All I know is that Biafrans should not be worried about the criminality of Soludo. We are going to see on November the 8th. Yes. There will be no movement of Biafrans on that November the 8th. It's a promise. So nobody should be worried about anything these criminals do. That has been how they operate. Many of us have seen when they load people in Dangote truck and bring them 2 or 3 days before the election. They'll pretend as if they are Biafrans. But this time around, we are tracking every of their movements. So again, the United States of Biafra is a sovereign state. We are currently in our election right now. Nigeria state illegally, criminally, is not going to be allowed to conduct
any criminal or illegal election in Biafra land. It is the task of every Biafran to ensure they sit at home on November the 8th. So that is what I can say for now. It is everybody's task, every Biafran's task, to continue to talk to your loved ones, to your family members, to everyone, to ensure they don't come out on November the 8th in the old Anambra State. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my DPM. You too much.
Okay, thank you so much. Odiwe, this is the third time you're coming on night. When I call you, you go down. This is the third time. If you come up again and you don't unmute your mic to speak, I will remove you entirely.
Space program is very, very, I think, yeah. Everything has changed. They are not used to behave. These people don't behave like this before. I don't know why everything has changed. This is making the second time that if you share the program from X, we'll be experiencing this delay. And I believe it's not from me alone. Even if you're watching it live, maybe you encounter the same thing. None of these platforms like YouTube. None of them. See, the voice is still not coming up. Please, are you listening to them, or is the voice out there on your own side? Because from my end here, I can't hear any voice. It will take some time before the voice will come. I don't know why. Wow.
I've been taking people off so I can bring him off, but it's still not allowing me. Please,
Somebody said yes. Please, yes on what? I don't understand. What about yes?
Bringing some people down so that the request can come up, please. So I'm going to remove the mic from others. So please.
Please, can we hit the like button so that we have 100 likes before we end this live stream? We have only 68 people at the moment. And the other window, we have only 10. Please, if you have not liked the video, do like the video. It won't cost you anything.
Okay. Does anyone have anything to say, Madam?
Honorable Mouthpiece, this is for DPN again. Please, I think people should direct these questions to Mouthpiece or what is his name, Dr. Drake or Nelson, not me, please. Yeah. This person said, please, I'm just coming in, and please, can you help me to have the 2 5 minutes? I don't know why you don't want to answer yourself. If they have withdrawn the lawsuit that them instructed them to withdraw. You did mention the people, but I guess it's Oge Ngwele and the rest of their criminal gangs. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. I forgot to answer that. Yeah, they've withdrawn the case.
Mommy, give me another job also.
I think it's already on social media. Some people, some Biafrans already.
This network, my goodness. The voice is out. Okay. So you can hear the voice even now, because I can't hear the voice now.
Deputy,
The voice is back.
The case.
Okay.
I was expecting them when they said that either the Briggy or the Prime Minister sued Dr. Orabueze, and they took it to Nigerian newspapers. So their friends are encouraging them to now go back to the Nigerian newspapers where they published it the first time and tell the Nigerian Zoo newspapers that they've withdrawn the case.
Exactly.
So do that too. Thank you.
The voice is out. Okay.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Marcus, can I just add something, please?
Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Okay.
Great. Please, can you try and bring up the red light? I've tried several times to bring up the red light. It's not allowing me. So go ahead, madam.
Yeah.
Okay. Our DPM.
Okay, yeah. My question goes like
Yeah. Emmy, I understand you. Just wait.
A human heart, and you are a woman of people that always consider people, doesn't want to be harsh. But is there any way, even though they have withdrawn the lawsuit, do we have to countersue them, or just leave it like that as the PM has said?
I think that is left for our attorneys to do. They are going to do the needful. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Is there any other person that want to say something?
All right. How to like the video in case if you are watching it from the portrait pattern. That is where the video look like one straight off phone like that. Just if you put it up, not the landscape shape, meaning you using it from another angle, watching it from another angle. So if you don't see the light button, that straight dot at top corner of your phone, straight dot, just tap it. Then you see the option to like the video, please. It's very, very important. And if you have not liked the video in any of them where you are watching from, hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you so much, Amy. Thank you for that. I think there's no need to counter sue them, to be honest. I don't think it's necessary. My own opinion.
John C, the mic is yours. I have a question for DPM. She's here. John C, go ahead. John C, it's like you're having network issues. Okay, we'll go to Anaya. Anaya, the mic is yours.
Hello, thank you. Now, good evening, ma. Excellency. I'm going to phone in now. On a this day, my team. One of the people, I'm not going to have my and Mania. More like on a this day, my team. As in coming into the attack. On a very that in both my life.
Onye na-ejide maịkị bịa na ya, biko, onye na-ejide maịkị.
Biko nne ka njikwa anụ mụ anyị ajụjụ. Biko Tinubu anyị agawụgo ajụjụ na space. That Christopher Musa come to space to answer questions the way our government is doing. Then Shekuma come to space to answer questions the way our Deputy Prime Minister is doing.
Ị ka na-agafe oge nke regodi ọ na-aza ike na-ekwu okwu Tinubu. A na-ekwu okwu ndị na-ekwu okwu ndị ụlọ ahụ.
want to make us last year because that's what both of them do all the time. They're just kicking each other. So, but it seems
people, our DPF to say now, I'm not used to it.
I'm not called name. I'm not your
Okay. People, our deputy, please. Rosé now, people, and the main Jacqueline, our space here, but people, thank you so much.
I know, Rose. I don't know. I'm not sure. I know, and most times I don't know what's going on the media. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't want to talk anything.
Don't mind them, Your Excellency. It's just
but I'm very, very happy for what all the independent media are doing for themselves and also for the Afghan. I keep saying, the media world is such a place that nobody will sell. If somebody is engaged in the media industry, nobody's gonna sell the media for anyone. People sell themselves and their organizations or their spaces by themselves based on how they manage their spaces, how factual they are to the people, how they.
Jude, are you not in our WhatsApp? Are you not following our WhatsApp? Jude, you are asking me how to vote. Are you not following our WhatsApp? There's a WhatsApp group we have. I don't know if you're aware of it. Are you in the WhatsApp or not? Or you're one of those that will be kicked out? Don't mind me. How to vote is very simple. The link is in the public domain. We are going to come live today, to be honest with you. I wanted to stream live, but just for me to click go live, I find out that DPM is on space. So I have no other choice than to reschedule the program and start off this one first. But after this, we are coming back to run our program normal.
The progress and the defense of our land. So those are some of the things that have endeared a lot of people to listen to different media personals. And like I keep saying, that the beautiful ones are not here.
Just hold on, let me give it to you, the link. Just hold on.
Tomorrow, next month, next 2 months, next 3 months, next year, to propagate the freedom of the United States of the African people. And at each step of the way, everyone is still going to continue to make their marks as we progress. So again, I thank all the media people, independent media, for what they do to let the world know about the freedom of the Afro people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We'll go to Simon Eba Losi. Is it Losi? Losi 914985515. Simon Eba at Losi 914985515. The mic is yours.
Good evening, everyone.
Leo.
Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
I am grateful to be here with you, and I'm also blessed to be here to hear our DPM.
Jude, you asked a question and you kept quiet. I don't like this kind of conversation, though. Anyway, for you to vote, follow this link.
First of all, I will welcome you to DPM with 20 Gemma for being here. I also want to let us know that he is one of those born for this Facebook.
Click on the link. And, it will take you to where you vote or save it. Okay.
On the 29th of November last year. And my presenting this to you guys, I will request for her to release the full video of that our redeclaration in Finland. My reason is why I'm saying this. When you people watch it, you will be able to identify some of the saboteurs through their dress and through their life. So many things happened that day. And that is one of the requests I'm making. And the second request is, since she has taken a stand as our mother, I will plead for her when she goes into her bedroom, goes to the door, she should always present us to the person that has brought her for this done. So let please, my dear, I adore you. I see you as my God, my goddess. And I also pray that you will successfully take us through. We are going home. We are already home. But I hope you will finally be home and all of us will say that you will stop. Almighty God will bless all of us. Carry on. We are with you. Thank you, everyone. I yield my heart.
Thank you so very much. Again, I know that the video of the declaration, many Biafrans have seen that.
Chief can see you.
I'm going to talk to our IT department probably to see how we can release a full video of that. And then as far as
Ozzy, where have you been?
Yeah, I know we
If they withdraw the lawsuit, there's no need for countersuit like you said, because PM told OJ to withdraw the so-called suit against USB. Yeah,
so,
that is true.
Individual connection that we encourage a lot of Biafrans to continue to do that. It's very important. The United States of Biafra is a Christian nation, mostly about 95% of Biafrans are Christians, with the traditionalists and the Judaites making up just about 5% of that population. So Biafrans are mostly Christians, and as Christians, we will continue to put God first in most of the things we do, and continue to maintain that. That is why in some areas we try to encourage certain things, even like in our defense, that has a tendency to derail people from being very realistic. We try to reduce all those like a bando and all those things that has contributed partly to some of the problem we see in our struggle, whereby people, because they have done this new bando or stuff like that, they tend to, when they see evil, one of their own doing evil, they tend to flow with that because of their commitments and stuff like that. So the United States of Biafra, there will be nothing like that. So again, we are a Christian nation and we encourage everyone to maintain that status. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Simon, who are you going to send the receipt to, please?
I can send it to my admin in my mind, or I can also send it to the financial.
And then you can
yes.
send it. You can send to me or send to Drake.
Yeah.
So that.
My name is 31. Yes. So
Okay.
I can send it to you, but I don't have your contact. I have that one.
You can send me the receipt on Twitter here, so it's okay. So you can, yeah. Thank you. Okay, we'll go to triple M1.
All right. Thank you very much, my dear sister. What peace? Greetings to you. We are being together. Don't take a man, my I can see right there. Greetings to you, my able DPM from Biafra. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much for rescuing us from the hands of hyenas and jackals, the mediocres, as you usually call it. Thank you for what you've done. Because I keep saying it whenever we come on space, even on YouTube programs, if not for that boosted and that fateful day, 29th July, 29th November 2024, we won't be here today. It's okay. We won't be here today. We're getting a bad Biafra. So, we can't say that it's a mistake because our leader, our president, Ngozi once said that he asked God is tired of this particular cause. Convince me and prove to me that you are the one that called me for this particular cause. And God proved himself to me. He said, Biafra must come. Biafra must come. He even went on to say that whenever, after shouting, even before he shouted, seeking for men, 100 men, and he has multitude of people. So none of them asked, like, before you're talking like this, I will not like the hand challenge to please get Then our BN came out. What happened? Our BN becomes the Biafra, the Zoom they are fighting against. Today, here we are, accepting death on your side. So the same our leader was preached and told us whenever women from America comes that we should all know that Biafra is here. These are the same people that say that they believe in their leader. That almost everything he prophesied has come to pass. What led to Biafra? They also forgot that our leader once said that whenever women from America join this struggle, we should all know that Biafra is here. And when he said this thing, there are many women there, even though that have been controlling the money, others of them. But our leader knows exactly what he said. He knows where he's pointing at. And today, here we are. People are still doubting it. Thank you, man. We really appreciate you so much. We appreciate you. Now, I have this question. Maybe last week Saturday, I wasn't on Zoom when maybe I don't know if they asked you or not about the election going on in the state of Ikemba and Anambra. The question goes this way. Because when you look at it, it's a 3 states that is conducting the election, and we are looking forward to have 3 governors. My question is, the voting is it going to be each state or just one vote for all the states?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we've sent out different instructions pertaining to the voting process for the first ever election in the United States of Biafra government. This voting is for all Biafrans above the 18 years old for the 3 states. For the 3 states. All the candidates that have been screened boils down to those 2 candidates you see that are contesting. So every Biafran above 18 years old is free to vote for only one state and for only one candidate. Only one state and for only one candidate. I want to also reiterate, this election is not really for competition per se among Biafrans, but it's to show the world how organized the United States of Biafra government can be in organizing their own election, despite the little resources that we have, despite that we are a nation that is less than 1 year old, despite that our country is currently being invaded and criminally occupied by the Nigerian state. But the difference between the election of the United States of Biafra government in the areas of transparency, real-time voting, peaceful voting. This is what we want to show to the world, compared to the forceful criminal election which the Nigerian state is planning in Biafra land on November 8th, when thousands, majority of Biafrans have decided, agreed to shut down and sit at home on November the 8th. So that is the answer to that question.
Thank you very much, Ma. I really appreciate you. And once again, they once told us that the media is power, and we acknowledge that the break. People that they have bad, they have never bow, they say you must bow, and to believe that they must bow for the truth. I also saw a memo that was flying around that they withdrew the lawsuits. Now, my question on that particular area, though it's not for the workers, when they got the message that our PN instructed them to withdraw the lawsuit, they went into the Shambolic platform to vote against. My question is, before they withdraw it, they went back to vote to withdraw it again, or you just willingly? I don't really know. That left for them. Mommy, thank you very much.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Those are the questions that we Biafrans have to ask them, those that are deceiving themselves, thinking they are deceiving anyone, when they got the instruction and then they went publicly to conduct voting among their criminally minded people like them, whether to follow the instruction of Simon Ebam. And again, I keep telling people, this is not about me. What they are doing is a calculated, orchestrated plot by the Nigerian state being executed by these individuals. So do they go back to put together again those people that they were deceiving on social media? Did they go back to now tell them, let us go back again and vote? Or their power no reach that one anymore? Or they failed in that strategy? Did they fail based on knowing that the United States of Biafra government is the real deal? There is nothing that we are doing that outside any template to restore the United States of Biafra, to restore the free nation of Biafra. And the Nigerian government that has been working through these individuals, trying to disrupt this freedom and trying to use them in different ways. Did they now go back to those people they deceived to tell them now they are going to withdraw the case? To start with, they have no case at all. There was no basis for what they did. And that is why they will keep on failing. There is no single basis for what they did initially. There was no basis for what they did immediately after our declaration in Finland. The instructions that we followed, that I followed, from the declaration to post-declaration was clearly the template that had been laid out by our Prime Minister before Finland took him away. Those of you that were following the Prime Minister heard him even before we all went to Finland. Upon declaration of our country, the Greek cabinet will be dissolved. Unless those that were not following the prayer. That was a clear order before Finland took him away. He constituted a four-man committee to set up the structure of the government From day one of the declaration of the United States of Biafra, from day one, not day two, that structure is of Biafran government as right now in full swing. There we are fully aware of that. The CRC that Imam Madrabo and Co. Ruben Nadi then went back to reconstitute around February or March of this year was dissolved by a well-constituted Brigade cabinet meeting around November of 2024. We voted, remember I was the chief of staff at that time, we voted on a vote of about 21-9 to dissolve the CRC. Because 2 days after the Prime Minister was taken, they constituted themselves into a nuisance, calling for somebody to head the government until the PM comes out. Meanwhile, PM already had a structure. PM already set up a committee to set up the structure from day one of the declaration. PM had a full cabinet even before Finland took it away. The structure was there. The restoration of the independent state of Biafra, the USP, was planned by the PM since 2 years ago, from January 2024 to November 2024. That structure and template was there. There was no reason for any of them to do what they did, except disobedience, lack of discipline, which majority of our Biafrans they lack. In Orabueze, everybody wants to be a leader. No discipline. No discipline. Everybody felt they were a leader. This one felt because he was part of the registration of Brigade, which I know we registered that so that we can obtain our office in Maryland. All of a sudden, it became their own personal property. All of a sudden, they constituted themselves into public nuisance after the declaration by going to reconstitute a CRC that was already dissolved by a well-constituted Brigade cabinet meeting in November 2024. They had no reason to do what they did. If Brigade dissolved the CRC, how can they in January go back and form themselves again into CRC to appoint Ogenkere to lead them? So these people do not know what structure and protocol is. That is why they will keep failing everywhere they go. Because they don't get it.
They were being sponsored, Your Excellency. They were sponsored by the Nigerian agents, inside us. So that's it.
Thank you. So regardless of whatever that happened, they themselves knew they had no reason to be doing what they were doing. And that shows you that even when the Prime Minister was around, when they were doing all this manipulation, this Sonia Tarawa, all these things that we are doing, even though the PM knows that, but when they were doing all these manipulations, you discover that they have a target. And that their target, they were plotting this even while they were under Batobia. They were doing that. It was just unfortunate that immediately Batobia left, the whole thing fell on my head. But he was fully aware of what they were doing. Maybe some of them, maybe not to the degree that they were doing it, or maybe not to the degree they have done when he left. They had no reason to do what they were doing. Immediately after declaration, when Ogenkere and Sonia Prawa was jumping off the whole social media, staying on Twitter space for 3-4 hours, 3-4 days non-stop, thinking that they were coming to attack Dr. Orabueze. They didn't know that all those manipulations, thank God, yes, I should just thank God for people like me, because without the steps taken, I don't know how many thousands of innocent Biafrans that would have been dead, in addition to those that have died. No clear pathway. They endangered every step of this freedom, both at home and abroad. I'm telling you, they planned very badly. All these people, they planned very badly. Right against Simon Edman, even while he was there with them. So it's not about me. It's not about me. Under what condition should Ogen Kerry, who is just a mere finance minister, which we gave him, he doesn't have the qualification. He's not a CPA. He's not an accountant. He's not somebody that studied statistics and stuff like that. He has no qualification. But he was given the position to be a finance minister by Obatobie. He has no leadership skill, nothing. Under what ground with somebody, a mediocre somebody like Ogen Kerry be claiming him. Claiming. And letting him start to the living Biafrans into offer, not in leadership, not in any way. Confusing some people that they were confusing. Under what condition could they have been doing what they were doing? All those people that were making noise with them, where are they now? Where are most of them now? And then they were able to collude with Dabiri and the Elias to sue me for nothing. What did I do to them? And they said they got the permission to sue me from the Prime Minister. That was what they said. Ruby Nadi said it online, that every step that they took, that they were trying, they talked about it with Obatobie. These are the lies they sent to Biafrans. Whether that is true or not, it's a business for another day. But you can see the danger that these people have constituted to the restoration. Briefly though, because they know they will never succeed unless I'm not here. They failed woefully. They paid Dabiri according to $20,000 to do a bylaw for them. The bylaw that they manipulated to take over the struggle for Obatobie. Why do a bylaw when the United States of Biafra already have a constitution approved by the Prime Minister that we will be using immediately post declaration? Even some of them are saying that they will do another declaration when Obatobie comes out and joins them. And then they sued us. It was all over. They showed it in Nigerian newspapers. Initially, it was Obatobie that sued Orabueze, who knows? And then it was Brinky that sued Orabueze, who knows? And now, when they see that there is no way forward, they have to go and withdraw the case. Just pure chaotic individuals. Just pure evil individuals. Lying everywhere, lying their ways everywhere. Just constituted themselves of nuisance all over social media. Classic nuisance. Dabiri had a meeting with me. This same person, without a man without integrity, had a meeting with me and Elias in January, where we discussed a meeting that lasted almost 1 hour plus on how we can move USP forward to the next level. He was fully aware of everything. Then this same David, you turned around to now file a criminal suit against me, against USP. What did we do that is criminal? And now he claims he is a man, he's a lawyer. In this America, we're going to see how that ends. Thank you so much. I think if there's no more question, I have to leave at this time.
Please, can we give Ronnie maybe 2 minutes and Simon in 2 minutes, please, Your Excellency. Okay, Ronnie, the mic is yours.
Yeah, thank you, Honorable Madam. Thank you so much. Really, Your Excellency, Dr. Ngozi, we love you so much. I only came here to thank you. Without that invitation, I don't know what happened to you. First of all, thank you very much. You removed that shit. In fact, you proved today that one Nigeria is telling us that our history that once people get to Finland, they will get you arrested. That was what was the news was on the place. It is not only from that nonsense, but when they have made that bold declaration. Honestly, I don't know what else to say, but to say thank you, man. And it didn't stop there. Within this space of months, look at the numbers of it. Really?
Okay,
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay, because it stopped, like, okay, go ahead, Her Excellency says she can hear you. Go ahead, please.
All right, thank you so much. We did not only stop there, man. Within the space of months, look at tremendous achievement everywhere. You ended up blessing Biafra on the world center stage. Imagine us being invited by Burkina Faso in the ongoing, diaspora. Let's talk about Africa. That's another hallmark achievement. This you did within the space of months. We are being recognized all over this place. Today they are talking about Christian genocide because of you. Remember the interview granted to you by Robert Spencer. You laid everything to bear. It was that interview and many other things you and your entire cabinet have been pushing behind closed doors as making the world now, giving their life to this terrible compassion of Nigeria. If nobody else can, see all these things, then the person is so blind to see reality. Today, we are proud. Today, our people, even those people that don't even believe in Biafra, their businesses are being protected because of you. Indeed, you've proven that whatever a man can do, a woman can do it better. And thank you for answering and fulfilling the prophecy of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He said, once a woman took his mother took his Biafra is here. You did that for that last year, November 29th. To the amazement of many, you made that a bold declaration. God bless you. God bless everything that you do, the works of your hand, and continue to give you wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to continue to pilot these people, because we are stubborn people, to continue to understand us and keep pushing us to that place which you and your entire cabinet with Maz Al-Batogi and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has dreamed for us to be. Thank you for raising and doing a nation, creating a nation that the world over will look up. I yield my mind.
Thank you so much.
Please, guys, like the video in case if you have not. Hit the like button before we end this live broadcast. She carried the gun again, man. I greet you.
My Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, from my location.
I salute you, and we are always proud. In fact, we are proud that
yes, so Chi baby, like and share, like and share.
We will always be happy if you give it to us at our time, despite the business at home. Our praise the Lord, the program will bless you, protect you, and guide you. The enemies will see you coming, they will not see you going. That is our prayer always for you. The enemies will know your name, but when it comes for them to use it to do evil, the name will become thunder anywhere they are. Those who carry my prayer. He said,
Gee, nice to hear that. Nice to hear that you're okay. Nice to hear that.
Now that the Biafra is on the world stage, what are more your plans on physical things that will trigger two things? Number one, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Simon Ekpa, and to be released. And Biafra to be organized on the world stage. I mean the physical things. That is my number one question this evening.
Ask your question, finish.
Okay. Then the second question is, now that the world or
Princess Mary,
part of US that are organized or valued territorial integrity more than human rights,
you're welcome,
or a life of indigenous of a country. Now the territorial integrity of Nigeria is in the mess. What are more evidence that you and the government is giving to the UN and the international community for them to know that the territorial integrity of Nigeria has to be revoked, like what they did in South Africa in 1971? This is my last question to you.
Your Excellency, can anyone hear Her Excellency?
No, I can't.
Okay. Your Excellency, maybe, okay. Go ahead, Your Excellency. If your network is frozen. Oh my gosh. Can anyone hear her? Because I can't stay here now.
No, we are not hearing now.
It seems frozen. Break.
Greg, are you there?
Okay, please, do you mind refreshing it because they've frozen Her Excellency. She's not, her mic is open, but she's not speaking.
You know, I said it, the level of attack on this, all this social media is very, very bad. It's very, very bad.
Okay, we can hear you now, Your Excellency. We can hear you now.
Okay. So I think the second question, I'm starting with the second answer to the question, which is what we have. And I told him that we have all the legal documents.
You're frozen again, Your Excellency. We can't hear you again. Wait, please keep your eye on the gazette.
Let her go to it.
Okay. Your Excellency, please request again, or let me send her an invite. Your Excellency, please request because.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I said for the second question, we just presenting all the legal documents we have at the right places. And that is all that is really required from the organizations and the courts that are helping the United States of Biafra government. Maintaining those laws that guide the young sovereign nation is what they are looking at, and that's exactly what we are doing. One, to ensure that we are not engaging in armed conflict, which we are not. Secondly, we are not acting as a separatist group, which we are not. To make sure we are following all the international protocols. That is exactly what we are doing to ensure that our defense is following the legal ramifications allowed by international constitution of our nation. Again, we have our declaration with our declaration, the referendum we conducted, and with the criteria we have of the map of our United States of Africa. We have the 40 states.
Ray, Nelson, if you give the wrong people the mic, the space can't stay. So please watch those who you give, because if not, the space will go down. So I don't know how we're going to manage it, but because rather than coming when they request for mic, they attack the space. Sorry, I said, you say what? Yeah. That's what I'm saying. If you give the wrong people the mic, they're going to do that.
So you can hear me, right?
We can hear you now, Your Excellency.
So what was the first question? After the second, what was the first one?
Lydia, are you here? Yes, I'm here. Okay, our first question. Okay.
What was the first question?
Yeah, my first question is, now that the topic of Biafra and the Mazen and the Kano is on the world stage of him saying that he has nothing to defend against Nigeria. So what are more things that is physical, that is in your mind, that you need to introduce to the other people to do for the world to know that Biafra has become a country, and the president of a country has been kidnapped over how many years ago?
It's frozen again, Andre. Oh my God. Ray, I don't know,
am I coming out?
You're just now you're coming out again, Your Excellency.
Okay, so what we will continue to do is exactly what we are doing. Continue to organize our country, continue with our election. The results will be out. We're going to present it to the world. Continue to speak on behalf of our leaders, Onyinye Nnamdi Kanu, and our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, that has been taken by the Finnish authorities. And
I think Drake.
Yeah, you need to go and screen everybody here because somebody that is doing that is in here.
I told Drake, you know, when you just bring anybody to come in here, they're gonna bring down the space. I don't know. Before usually what we do is you even before you give a mic, you screen a little. At least you know the kind of person that will come here and not try to bring the space down. See, they won't even allow DPM to answer the question again. This is it. No, this is it. You can see what is going on. You can see for yourself now. Yeah. DPM, I don't know how we're going to do it. It's like someone or some people. We can hear you, but we can hear you now. Yes,
so I'm not sure. It's not from Drake. I think it's from where I am. The connection was the connection was lost. I'm coming back. It's not from anyone. I think it's from where I am. So let me quickly say, what I'm saying is we will continue to do what we're doing steadily. The needs we have are the different
Amy, are you still here?
I can hear you.
Amy, I would like to know you more. I see your comments, but I choose not to read it out. That's not the fact. Don't worry, I see your comments. I see your comments.
Because there's a lot of hands up.
When the leader is speaking, that is how it goes.
I don't think it's network.
When the leader is speaking, that is how it goes. The whole world starts listening to now. That is what is happening.
Your Excellency, I don't think it's network. You know, by bias. We can hear you now.
Yes, it's network. It's network. So I'm in a different location. So what I'm saying right now is we have our priority is to get some of the documents we are waiting for as quickly as possible legally. And once we have that ready, we will use that to be able to file the necessary documents for the release of our two leaders as quickly as possible. So we are working on that. And also for all the other Biafrans that are locked up in different cells across Nigeria and in Biafra land. So that will happen very soon.
Wow.
Amy, are you still here? Amy.
Yes. And here from the hospital.
It's all former. I see you, sir. Say good evening, Sakai. Now be great to pass. You're welcome. Please do never like the video in case if I just come in.
Everyone is safely home. Okay. So thank you, Your Excellency. Let's go to this thing has canceled, but they don't even know who's next. Let's go to Simon King. Sorry?
Please give one so that we will ask you a question now.
Okay, Wabu, go ahead. Then after Wabu, we go to Simon King. After Simon King, we go to Chin and Meren. Please, in that order. Go ahead, Wabu.
Are you there? Wampo, are you there? If you're not there, okay.
Greetings, everyone. But if you are grateful, well, I don't have much to ask. I only want to ask about the because when let me say when our prime minister was with us, I asked him the same question. So since she's not here with us, so I have to ask you because you are the one that representing him right now. So I should ask you the same question again. So I normally ask about our because I think the last time I asked about the Bank of Biafra, something like that, and they give assurance that very soon it will be out. But since then now, I haven't nobody heard about that because that is the most important thing for now. Because if you check what is going on in Nigeria now, even
so let's not waste too much. We are working on our currency and the physical cash. I don't want to just waste too much time because I got to run. So it's on course, and at this time it's not just the Bank of Biafra. We're working on upgrading our currency. They have been following us so that we can start using the German in Biafra land. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Mabu. So I'll just take one more question and I'll run, please. Okay.
All right. Okay, King Ken, the mic is yours.
okay. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, my my excellency. Good evening, honorable mouthpiece. I appreciate the compliments of UNC. I don't have any question. I just want to appreciate my excellency for all he has been doing. And I just want to tell her that coming from different of my goals, we are 100% behind everything she's doing. But most of us that have been following from the time of our the time of our peers up to this moment, you know that she and the cabinet of the USB are on the right track.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Simon, for the fact that you're greeting her, I think she's heard you. Let's just give 1 minute for Chinemere so that you know that also. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, das ist Nigeria corruption finest. 1,2
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, King, and thank you. Okay. The DPM, please, let me just give 1 minute to Chinemere. Chinemere, 1 minute, please. DPM.
Thank you so much. Our DPM, thank you so much. May God bless you and bless those that are working with you. When I go back, we bless you. We are seeing all of you are doing. Thank you so much for what you are doing. And let me just rush my question. Please, my DPS, the first time I asked you a question was the time you were doing kind of question and answer, not question and answer, but a broadcast with Kelechi in Ghana. So that time I asked you a question, but today let me ask you this. What do you have to say with those people that these criminals gathered online and asked them to vote against Prime Minister Simon Ekpa's direction to cancel the court case or to withdraw the court case? He gave them that order to withdraw it, and they gathered some people online, deceived them to vote against the BM's order. What do you have to say to those people? Thank you so much.
Oh, it looks like DPM has gone. Oh my gosh. All right.
She's to the this section.
Okay.
Network.
Okay. Okay. All right. DPM, I don't know if you are coming. Let me just bring you up again for 1 minute. If you can answer, because I think she has answered it before you came in. She has said something about it. So she said that those people were deceived by Obekere and Elias. So to come and vote do that shenanigan, So it's quite unfortunate, people follow people that are not supposed to be followed. So I believe that, yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Yeah, there's a location. So again, to that question, I can say this. That's one question I'll answer that. People have a choice to do what they do. That is why in this world, anywhere in the world, once you're up to 18 years old and you do something criminal, you will go to jail. Even though we have the jury, we are younger kids that do certain things to be placed. But once you're up to 18 years old, you take full responsibility for your actions. So while it is sometimes we say people are deceived into doing things, I strongly believe that anything anyone chooses to do, most of the times, they calculate it. They went through that. They believe in that, and they want to do those things. I strongly believe in that mindset, unless somebody that is sick psychologically. But a healthy Biafran that is over 18 years old, that has been following Onyedin and the Kano and saw what they went through, then following Simon Epps and saw what he went through, and then decides to
that talk has thrown her out again. Yes, yes, yes.
Everyone
yeah. Am I coming out?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's not just easy for somebody to say that somebody deceived them into doing something. No. Once somebody is up to 18 years old, they have the ability to make their own decision. The wisdom may be different. The way people see things, analyze things, act on things may be different. But anybody that is up to 18 years old takes responsibility for their actions. So I'm not just going to go ahead and be blaming it on Obekere or those he and Sonia Palawa and Imam Madu about these people. They are deceiving on the social media. I'm not just going to, while I blame them to a certain degree, I also know that, and I also believe that those that follow them, they are also responsible for their own actions. They are also responsible for the confusion, the chaos they create among themselves. And there are consequences to those actions, especially when it comes into this care for restoration. There are consequences, there must be consequences. Once your hands are not clean, once you've misguided people in certain ways, once you've caused the death of people in certain way by your actions or inactions, there will be consequences. That consequence may not come from Dr. Orabueze. It may be a consequence that the person will receive naturally from our Chukwukikabia. I strongly believe in that. So that is the way I see all this. Whatever anyone wants to do, let them keep doing that. All I believe in is that there will be consequences for every action or inaction taken by any Biafran to disrupt the restoration of Biafra. Thank you so much, and I think that's the last I'll take, so that I'll run for my errands.
Oh my God.
We have 2 minutes here. We have 2 minutes, please. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute. Go ahead, 1 minute.
Honor our 11 months. And you think I will not take the opportunity to say, my sister, that already said his name. And for you honoring this position, coming to honor us, Drake and I is from 1 month to 2 months. Please, I want to use the opportunity to beg you to please come and honor the 1 month to 1 year.
I will.
Because we are going to 20 years.
I will. There will be a lot of activities for the 1 year.
Yes.
And then I think maybe on Friday I'll try and be on this on your space.
Honor you for coming here. I will bring the law like just like honoring our space on our 11th month. I will share the receipt for $50. Thank you for all you're doing. I have a question. Your voice, and I'm also myself. The people from my house, they're speaking me out. So I just want to say I appreciate you for coming to join us here. The people of the country will give you the wisdom, the mother that God gave tonight for us. We appreciate you, and I hope they honor you, because there's nothing else you can do than what God can do. Please continue to listen to people without them. Where your strength and your wisdom, so we all come to thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thanks for your donation.
Thank you, Happy. I wanted to say that I was the one teaching you out. That really, I'm joking.
Put yourself, my dear. My pair of this is put yourself.
Okay. Thank you,
So
Happy.
thank you so much. I got to run. Maybe mouthpiece, maybe on Friday I can come again on the stage. So if I didn't answer your question, maybe on Friday, I think I'll join you on Friday, okay?
Okay, Your Excellency. I will just use this to just thank you. Remember I said to you 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. You said, okay, let me just try. 2 minutes, from 2 minutes for over an hour. In fact, I'm just saying.
Chinweweke, you should have just go to the space and ask this question. This your question is very important. Even though I've not seen such link.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. I think I will come back on Friday before 2 p.m. Eastern time. Because I have a cabinet meeting to 2
Okay, my wonderful people of Biafra. You see, you people have seen what happened today. We never knew it's gonna rain. Just for 2 minutes. I said to her, 2 minutes, because she was saying she's so busy. She would say she would try. I said, please, just 2 minutes, just come and say hello to us. And she ended up staying more than an hour. So, and then the gods of Biafra met us a lot of people's hearts, and it started raining. You see, my people. At least, for the fact that I dragged her into this space today, and this happened, may the gods of Biafra replenish every pocket that donated today, and those who will want to donate tomorrow or on Friday. May the gods of Biafra keep on blessing you all. Drake for hosting us, Nelson for hosting, And
all right.
Wonderful.
All right. We are going to end it here. Thank you all. Thank you all for being with me. Thank you, even though we started late. But, I wanted to stream live before I noticed that DPM is on with on direct platform. Please, we are coming back. We are coming back here in few couple of minutes. Just keep your eyes on the channel. The program that we scheduled already that we wanted to run before, we will still come back to run it. Please make sure you keep your eyes here, and I want you to watch that program live, because we need to touch light some of the things, some of our problems, especially the gossipers, those who are wishing to buy mass Americano for no just reason. We are going to discuss in Sima. We will talk about other Eflefu that are doing all they can to prove what I don't know. And I want you to be part of the program, because we need to raise suggestion to see how far we can go on that. Thank you so much, my people, and God bless you. Take care and bye-bye for now. God bless you.